Hi class, today we're going to do section 5.2, dividing polynomials, and this will be part 1 or page 1. So let's start with the standardized test practice problem. We're going to find the product of 3y times 2y squared minus 1 times y plus 4. What I would do first is multiply 3y into the 2y squared minus 1. So 3y times 2y squared minus 1 would be 6y cubed minus 3y. So I just distributed. Now I'm going to multiply this by y plus 4, and I'm going to stack it. So I'm going to do 6y cubed minus 3y, and I'm going to multiply both by y plus 4. This is using FOIL, so I will have 6y to the 4th plus 24y cubed, and then I'll have negative 3y squared minus 12y. So my answer should be 6y to the 4th plus 24y cubed minus 3y squared minus 12y. So let's see which one of those that is. Looks like B, 6y to the 4th, 24y cubed minus 3y squared minus 12y. So it is B. Okay, so page 1 is going to be about long division. Page 2 will be synthetic division. I prefer synthetic division, but sometimes it's necessary to use long division or to know how to use it. So let's go over a few problems using long division. To divide a polynomial by a polynomial, use a long division pattern. Remember that only like terms can be added or subtracted. Okay, the first two are dividing a polynomial by a monomial, and we've done this before. So you take and you put each part over the denominator and simplify. 18a to the 3rd divided by 3a plus 30a squared divided by 3a. So we'll have 18 divided by 3 will be 6. A cubed divided by a is a squared plus 30 divided by 3 is 10. A squared divided by a is a. So this should be our answer on the first one. And the second one we'll do the same thing. So we'll take 24m n to the 6th divided by 4m squared n cubed, and we'll have minus 40m squared n cubed divided by 4m squared n cubed. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. This would be m to the negative 1 because we would move 1, it's m to the 1st minus 2. Then we'd have n to the 6th minus 3. So 6m to the negative 1 n to the 3rd would be 6n to the 3rd over m. And the second part, minus 40 divided by 4 would be 10. And notice the m squareds will cancel and the n cubes will cancel. So this should be our answer, 6n to the 3rd over m minus 10. And I'm just going to check myself right quick. Okay, so we're good on these. Now we'll do a few examples, I think 3, of long division. So what you do is you want to first look at what is going to be divided, and make sure that your powers go down in descending order and you don't miss a power. So this is 2, and this is 1, and this is none, so that's good. We're dividing by m plus 2. So set it up like this. Put m plus 2 on the outside, and then we're going to be dividing it by m squared minus 3m minus 7. So here's the steps you're going to take. You're going to take your first term, m squared, and you're going to divide it just by m. So just right over here on the side, m squared divided by m. That will equal m. So put m on the top. Now we're going to multiply it back through, but we're going to multiply back through by the opposite. So here's what I mean. I'm going to take negative m times m plus 2, and I'm going to write it underneath these. So I would have negative m squared minus 2m. The m squareds will cancel. I'll now have negative 5m, and I'm going to bring down my next term, the minus 7. So again, you just take the first term and you divide it by m. So I have negative 5m divided by m is negative 5. I'm going to put a minus 5 up here. Take the opposite of that, which would be 5. Multiply it through by m plus 2, and that's going to give us 5m plus 10. Simplify, the m's will cancel. Negative 7 plus 10 is 3. We can't divide 3 by m, so this is our remainder, and it's positive. So the way you write your remainder is plus, then make a fraction, 3 over m plus 2. So m minus 5 plus 3 over m plus 2 is your answer. Okay, on the second one, we'll check our powers. We go 3, 2, 1, 0, so we're good. We're going to put the x minus 2 on the outside. And then underneath, we're going to have 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 4. So we start with the 2x cubed and we divide it by x. 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. Okay, put it up on the top, 2x squared. Then you take the opposite of it, negative 2x squared, and you multiply through by x minus 2. That will give us a negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 2 is a plus 4x squared. So when we simplify, the 2x cubed cancel each other. We'll have a negative x squared. Bring down the rest, plus 4x minus 4. So we just draw arrows to remind you to bring down the rest. Now we're going to take negative x squared and divide it by x. Negative x squared divided by x is negative x. So we'll put a minus x on the top, and we're going to multiply through by its opposite, which would be x. So we'll have x times x minus 2, which is going to give us x squared minus 2x. Okay, so we'll have 2x, bring down the minus 4. Now we'll take 2x and divide it by x. 2x divided by x is 2. So we'll put a plus 2 up here. And we'll multiply through by the opposite, so negative 2 times x minus 2 would be negative 2x plus 4. Notice everything zeroes out, so we don't have a remainder. This is our answer, 2x squared minus x plus 2. And I should have mentioned that if you wanted to check your answer, you would take the answer and multiply it by x minus 2, and the result should be the divisor, I believe. Divisor, this is called the divisor, this is the dividend, what you're dividing by. I think I'm saying that right. But anyway, the steps to check yourself would be to multiply the x minus 2 by your answer, and it should give you this. Okay, last one for today. Powers go 3, 2, we're missing a 1 here. Here's our 0. So because we're missing that 1, what we're going to put is a 0t in the problem. So we'll have t plus 2 on the outside. And what we're going to divide it into would be t cubed minus 6t squared plus 0t plus 1. So take t cubed divided by t is t squared. Put a t squared on the top. Multiply through by a negative t squared. T plus 2. So that will give us a negative t cubed minus 2t squared. Negative 8t squared. Bring down the plus 0t. Bring down, whoops, sorry, I meant to draw an arrow. Bring down the 1. That was a plus 1, excuse me. So negative 8t squared plus 0t plus 1 should be what this is, or this is what that says. So we take negative 8t squared and we divide it by t, which gives us a negative 8t. Put a negative 8t on the top. Multiply through by the opposite, so positive 8t times t plus 2 gives us 8t squared plus 16t. The t squareds will cancel. We'll have 16t plus 1. So take the 16t and divide it by t, which will give us 16. Put a plus 16 on the top. Multiply through by negative 16, which will give us a negative 16t minus 32. The t's will cancel. 1 minus 32 is negative 31, which can't be divided by t, so our remainder would be minus 31 over t plus 2. Maybe I should circle this answer since I've got other stuff in its way. T squared minus 8t plus 16 minus 31 over t plus 2. Okay, those are your examples for long division. Next time we'll do synthetic division, which I think you'll like more. You may have to go back and re-watch this video, and that's advisable because long division is a little bit complicated. If you need help further, you can email me, or you can send me a text, and if you don't have my number, it's 940-736-9644. Okay, you guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.